This is the final result. I will now show you how I did this in 3 steps and created a stable prompt that gives the desired result the first time. Great, let's work. The most important part of this case is maintaining the stability of the scene itself. After you upload the video, it will appear on the right in the timeline. The timing is displayed in seconds, but if it becomes necessary, you have the option to navigate frame by frame. In the center, we have the preview, and on the right, there's the settings panel. Now we need to generate an image-to-image, which will be used later in video generation. This can be done through the top navigation bar by clicking on Modify Frame or in the Settings panel, Generate Your Character. This is the Settings panel for image generation. The first block will be a preview of the frame to which the generation will be applied. Let's check the frame number. In my case, it will be the 0 frame. Right after it, you are offered to choose a model for generation. Specifically for this model, I used Seedream because it handles such simple tasks excellently. After selecting the model, we can see a section for attaching references. You can attach several images at once. I will not use a reference and will fully rely on the generative model. And here we have arrived at the field where we will spend most of our time. On the side, we have a list of frames through which we can quickly navigate to the desired generation. And my favorite place is the gallery of generated images. I created a prompt that contains 2 variables. Here it is. They are the ones that will change further in this prompt. After that, I ran the generation multiple times to ensure that my model understands this prompt correctly and behaves consistently. Sometimes the generation process can be inaccurate. If you have already moved on to the next generation, there's nothing to worry about. Just click Load Settings. All data will load in the Settings panel, and then press the Generate button once again. Almost always, the next attempt yields exactly the result that's needed. If you don't like the generation at all, you can adjust the prompt. One of the convenient things about image generation is the ability to work in iterations. I created a man's eye, and it retained the makeup from the original image. I really like the eye itself, and I want to use it, but without the makeup. I just go ahead and press Iterate, and this image will appear in the Settings panel for creating the next version. All that's left is to enter the desired prompt. I'll show it now. Delete only makeup. We click Generate. It is completely removed in this generation, this particular makeup. I've already picked out the most successful options. Now, let's proceed to generate the video. And I'm going to choose the frog's eye. I really like this one, so I'll click Use this. The system will automatically switch us to the Settings panel for video generation with the image we need. How do I choose the right model for video generation? In the Settings panel, we select the generation model. In my case, I will use a Mago character, since it allows the model to independently complete microanimation, movement of the pupil and natural micromovements of the skin. Make sure to enable Use Image Background. Due to this checkbox, the model perceives the reference as a replacement for the entire scene and can erase our background. And we will get this kind of result. Next, we have the prompt input field. I didn't change anything here and just copied the prompt I used in image to image. I left the negative prompt unchanged. Now let's go over the key points in advised. Here, I changed just one parameter. I reduced the value of shift to 1. Starting the generation, and we enjoy the consistent results. That's exactly how I created this case. I used the image-to-image generation model, Seedream, and the video model, Mago character. Thank you for watching.